Yo, you guys want to have the taste of Firework Town? It's still going on. Literally, look, it's still gonna go on. It's going on. Yeah. If you live in these buildings, you should be able to see it. You're probably gonna have like the greatest view from that building. Yeah, because it's happening over there. As you can see, it's happening over there, and the building's over there. Yep. Well, I think I missed it to catch it on camera. Mommy, what day is it today? Huh? Sunday?
Monday.
Monday? Oh. Oh, is there fireworks?
It's my birthday.
Oh yeah, it is your birthday. Well, that's it. Oh, watch. When I stop recording, the fireworks are just gonna come straight back on. That always happens. It's just gonna come straight back on. Alright, well, that's the end.